Yeah, I know it would choke you. I'm taking a video to show the council. It's disgraceful. This is absolutely disgraceful. I wonder who's going to pay for the medical bills. This is a health hazard.